Welcome to Decoded. JavaScript is dynamically typed, meaning variables can change types at runtime. Let's see what this means. In dynamically typed languages, variables do not have a fixed type. You can assign any type to a variable. JavaScript automatically converts types in certain situations. Let's check some pros and cons. Pros: more flexibility, as you can easily change the type of a variable without worrying about type constraints. Cons: can lead to bugs, especially when you expect certain types. Be careful with type coercion. Always check your types, especially when dealing with user input. JavaScript's dynamic typing makes it flexible, but can also lead to unexpected behavior, so stay vigilant. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more JavaScript facts.